What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we're checking out Diana Blizzard. By the way, happy May. Can't believe it's already May. Let's get into it, shall we?
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга.
Oh my gosh, that was such a beautiful, beautiful song. Kind of wish I would have reacted to it a couple months ago, but hey, nothing's better than May. Just kidding. But yeah, it's May. It's warm here. It's the weather's finally looking good. Trees are budding, leaves are starting to show up, flowers are starting to kind of come up from the ground to say hello for the summer. So very exciting. I'm not a winter fan myself, even though I live in a coldish climate here in Colorado. I mean, it does get cold. It was January. We were down in -12 Fahrenheit. So do the math to Celsius. That's effing cold. Actually, I flew out of here to Arizona that day. When I landed in Arizona, it was like 70 degrees. I'm like, yeah, I like that. That was nice. But beautiful, beautiful song. Yeah, I feel her, man. Alone in this house, I can't sleep while this blizzard is roaring outside, dropping its beautiful, white snow all over the place. Winds are howling. But gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous song. Gorgeous version by 15-year-old Diana, by the way. Wow. Absolutely remarkable that she had such great control of her voice at a very, very young age. I know I don't check Diana out as much as I wish, but I'm always happy when I check her out because she never ceases to blow me away and impress me with her incredible, incredible voice. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands. Bye.